的汉语小课堂 Hello everyone, I'm Lilin Huang. 我是黄老师。In this video, we will learn how to describe pain and symptoms of common cold in Mandarin. Let's first watch a conversation. 现在已经9点了，可是我的孩子还在睡觉。你们怎么不去上学？妈妈，我肚子疼。哎呀，疼死了，肚子疼。哦，快吃点药，快吃点药。你也不舒服吗？妈妈，我感冒了，头疼，牙疼，眼睛疼，肚子疼，一点儿也不舒服。哎呀，你发烧了，我们赶紧去医院看医生吧，让医生给你打针，很快就好。什么？打针？我不要打针。妈妈，我肚子疼死了，我要去上厕所啊！再见，再见。我也不要打针。妈妈，我好点了，我不用看医生，我还是去上学吧。Now let's learn some useful phrases to describe pain and symptoms of common cold. 感冒 catching a cold. 昨天很冷，可是我只穿了一条短裤，所以我感冒了。It was very cold yesterday, but I only wore shorts, so I had a cold. Remember to add 了 after the verb 感冒 to indicate a change of status from a healthy status to catching a cold. 感冒了。发烧 having a fever. 我的体温37度，我发烧了。My body temperature is 37 degrees. I have a fever. 肚子疼 having a stomachache. 我刚才吃了太多西瓜，现在觉得肚子疼。I had too much watermelons and I have a stomachache. 头疼 headache. 眼睛疼 eyes hurt. 牙疼 toothache. Okay, now let's put it into practice. Pretend that you are seeing a doctor and I'm your doctor. Please tell me what happened to you based on the pictures. 你怎么了？我肚子疼。你怎么了？我头疼。你怎么了？我发烧了。Okay, that's all for today. 再见。